Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Lance Howery and today we are talking tech. I'm super excited. We are unboxing the MacBook Air M1. I picked it up. I really wanted this from the beginning, but I got the Mac Mini first, then I decided to pull the trigger on this. Actually picked this up for about $300 because I was able to trade this in. No funny business, just a trade in. That's why I was able to get it for $300. But if you got an old MacBook laying around or MacBook Pro or something like that, you can get a good deal on these new ones by trading in on the Apple website. We'll talk about that, but let's dive into this video, talk about the details, talk about what I traded in and what I got. Let's go. People kept talking about how awesome it is, so I wanted to show you guys. We're gonna dive into all kinds of details in future videos where we check out, is this a good thing to start a YouTube channel with and all that stuff, but let's just dive into this unboxing. Because unboxing Apple products is just purely amazing. All right, guys. The Apple slide, I think that's what we'll call it. All right, here it is, the MacBook Air. All right, guys, so I picked up the MacBook Air M1 in 16 gigabytes. 16 gigabytes of RAM. I had the Mac Mini with 8 gigs of RAM, and I really wanted to step up with the MacBook Air and check it out. Then I also picked it up in the 512 gigabyte version, and so that means my hard drive's 512, my RAM 16, and this cost about $1,400. I traded in my old MacBook Pro. This is a 2018 Core i7, 16 gigabytes of RAM with a 512 gigabyte hard drive. $2,800 computer back in 2018, and I traded that in for 1,100 bucks and got the MacBook Air. I'll be sending that in here in a week or so. But the reason I did is because this thing is supposedly just fast, and I've been able to see that with the Mac Mini. And I really wanted a smaller laptop that I could really kind of take around the house a little more, be a little bit more convenient for traveling. And my big one here, this 15 incher from 2018, is really just a little bit big. And I really wanted to try out the M1 and show you guys, can you start a YouTube channel with this? And I'm really excited for it. We'll dive into it in future videos and see if it was a bad decision or a good decision to trade in my Intel 2018 MacBook Pro. Maybe I'll regret it, but my idea is that this will still have value if I want to trade up when the new M1X chip comes out or the M2 chip comes out next year, whatever is going to be the name of it. I can always do so, but this is going to be a good computer. There's been so many good reviews online. I'm really excited for this thing. Let's open it up here so you guys can see it. Finish this unboxing. Turns right on when you open it up for the first time. And then also what's in the box is that pops up there. We got the charging cable, USB-C, and we got the charging brick. Now, I always like to get the cord attachment to make this a longer system instead of plugging into the wall so short. But the battery life on this MacBook Air...
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Talking to me now here. But the main thing on this MacBook Air is battery life with the new M1 chip. It is really awesome. And that is it, guys. That's the quick unboxing. I got it in the space gray. I've had the silver and my wife has the rose gold, but I really want to get the space gray. I really love the looks of this, the way this thing types. I'm really excited to give this a try. We're gonna give you guys update videos. We're gonna be doing videos around YouTube and everything. I'm super excited for that. Stay tuned. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will catch you guys next time.